In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the screen of your iPhone 15 Pro or the Pro Max won't sleep, turn off, or lock. There are two methods to fix this issue. For the first method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Display and Brightness. And over here, you will find the option for Auto Lock. Now just tap on it. Now if the auto lock on your iPhone is set on Never, the screen of your iPhone will never turn off unless if you press on the side button. So make sure you select a low number like 1 minute or 30 seconds, and after that the screen of your iPhone will automatically turn off after 30 seconds or after a minute. Now, this was the first method. But if you're trying to lock the screen of your iPhone, but if the screen of your iPhone always remains on, then in that case just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Display and Brightness, and over here you will find the option for Always on Display. Now, if you want to turn off the Always on Display completely, then just disable this toggle. And after you do that, now if you press on the side button, the screen of your iPhone will be completely turned off. But if you want to use the Always on Display feature without showing the lock screen wallpaper, then in that case, just enable Always on Display and disable the toggle for Show Wallpaper. And after you do that, the Always on Display feature will remain on, but the rest of the screen will be black. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.